Na Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, all attracting, all enjoying. Before I look into the commentary, I'll start with the commentary on text 50 of chapter 11 right now. In the Brahma Samhita 5:38, it is stated, Brahmanjana Charita Bhakti Vilochanana. And people will say, oh, well, the rose glasses of love. Well, that's not quite it. There is the ointment of devotion. And when one is in the state of devotion, then one has the sight to see God in a way. But it's not a physical sight, by which are... Anyways, we should not even do the automatic mindlessly. We gain our authority and ability from God's permission. No one has the authority to change revealed or inspired scriptures. Knowledge and feeling will come in time with the right processes, but realize what you have is partial. Philosophy shouldn't be for its own sake, and it is not just quotes. Look at every tradition in its own way. Projections are not deities. A god doesn't become or lose their divinity. A god can't be seen with material eyes, nor sensed with material senses, but is known by symbolic things and representation. Notice the differences in using the different names of God, and don't try to void your mind. War doesn't have to mean disrespect. God will give the human beings the nature fitting to their past and to their current and future roles. God allows people their ignorance, but gives them opportunity to not even be in sinful life. You will be programmed in your desires and sense of reward by your choices of company. All adult humans have made mistakes. We should realize the limits of our physical senses and the possibility of the spiritual senses. They are There are specific angels and demons of places and even stellar objects, but details can't be derived from speculation. And just the name of another angel or that sort of thing, it's not worth spending years in an organization to learn some of these things. And really, the ones that make you wait, they tend to be making this stuff entirely up themselves, or at least the guy who founded it. Anyways, liberation is not stopping attainment or enjoyment, but in shifting it and stopping bad habits. Enlightenment is not in killing gurus or going to war with the idea of individuals helping individuals do away with their ignorance or find some enlightenment or self-control or whatever, but in becoming a real one, a real guru, a satguru, a sadguru, whatever phrase you're going to call it. Seek and become a good example. Comparing and contrasting of faith with others is not its ultimate value. If your spiritual goals are small, there's danger of falling down. Philosophy and public ritual gathering used to be part of every area. Some will be liberated by mimicry alone. Self-mastery and self-realization is as the same process. Stay silent if you don't know. Develop your relationship with God through your relationships. Don't sing or dance in a senseless way, but in a way of spiritual, endless pleasure. Edited scriptures shouldn't be taken as definitive authorities. Life is not chemical, but uses chemicals. While here in the respect is unto all who are called to God. Respect is unto all who call to God, but their instruction to preserve life, and in most types, or in all types sometimes, to stop killing, and good should be upheld. The more important spiritual teachings are free. They're freely and publicly conveyed. Meditate upon something other than fiction and fragmented ideas. We know God by the innermost connection, the transient and reference, and the universal manifestation. Hence, that's part of what I mean by the what's meant by the if you have the ointment of devotional service, as it would be called, constantly applied. Now, don't go buy some witch's ointment and think, oh, I have the ointment of devotional service. Anyways, God is known through the different complexions. Life is not about wealth, nor long living, but sacrifice. Wilderness and isolation has its rules. Beyond the mere societal rules, we are made to obey. We know God by the innermost connection, the transient reference, and the universal manifestation. God is known through different complexions. Okay, so I've shared of that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.